Top 5 Best 50cc Chainsaw. Echo CS5920AA 20-in. 59.8cc gas chainsaw in just $429. Sold on Amazon. Makita EA5000PREG 18 inches 50cc chain saw in just $519. Magnesium housing for improved durability and less weight, only 11.9 pounds. Easy start spring assisted starter with optimized engine management for quick starting with less force. 13,800 RPM with faster acceleration for more efficient cutting performance. Compact design engineered with smooth rounded surfaces for easy cleaning and operator comfort. Large dual spike bar for increased productivity. Makita EA5000PRGG 20 inches 50cc chain saw in just $539. Magnesium housing for improved durability and less weight, only 11.9 pounds. Easy start spring assisted starter with optimized engine management for quick starting with less force. 13,800 RPM with faster acceleration for more efficient cutting performance. Compact design engineered with smooth rounded surfaces for easy cleaning and operator comfort. Large dual spike bar for increased productivity. Touch and stop single lever control shuts off engine with just a touch. Slide out baffle can be configured for efficient cold weather operation. 2-point durable inertia, mechanical chain brake. Chain compartment is easy to clean and clears chips away efficiently. Lateral chain tensioning for easy adjustment. Husqvarna 445 gas chainsaw, 50cc 2.8-HP, 2-cycle X torque engine, 18-inch chainsaw with automatic oiler, for wood cutting and tree trimming in just $399.99. Husqvarna 445 18-inch chainsaw combines a slimmer saw body for easier handling and mobility with the superior power of a gas chainsaw. Recommended for use with bar lengths between 13 inches, min, and 20 inches, max. Effortless startup. Smart Start allows this Husqvarna chainsaw to quickly and easily start up with minimal effort, while the gas chainsaw 18-inch blade has an inertia-activated chain brake to reduce the likelihood of injury due to kickback. Superior performance. Powerful and efficient 50cc, 2.8-HP X torque engine reduces emissions, up to 60%, and increases fuel efficiency, up to 20%, while combined choke stop control promotes easier starting and reduces risk of engine flooding. Air injection technology. Equipped with a centrifugal air cleaning system that expels larger dust and debris particles before they reach the air filter for improved engine life. Easy handling and ergonomic design. This 18-inch chainsaw features a 7-degree offset front handle with an improved grip and low vib technology that uses dampeners to reduce vibrations for easier handling of recommended 13 to 20-inch chainsaw bars. Poulan Pro 20-in. 50cc 2-cycle gas chainsaw. PR5020 in just $269.99. With the Oxy Power engine technology, you can get that extra power for virtually any task. This technology offers a more powerful engine, but also 70% less emissions and 20% lower fuel consumption. Effortless pull starting system reduces pull force 30% for easier starting and reduced wear on the starter mechanism. The combi tool is integrated into the rear handle. It's always there when you need it for maintenance. The purge bulb, which provides the carburetor with fuel and makes the product easier to start with fewer pulls, is protected, reducing the risk of damage. User-friendly combined choke stop control allows faster starting and greater reliability by reducing the risk of engine flooding.